Right, yeah, so I'm Nick Wong and I'm from the Monash Bioinformatics platform here at the Central Clinical School. So my area of research is in bioinformatics, and I was actually traditionally trained as a molecular biologist, so a wet lab researcher. Specifically, areas of research here is collaborating with research groups really who are using genomic technologies to do research, and part of that is a big component of bioinformatic analysis. The precinct's quite diverse in its research, and in particular been working closely with researchers within the ACBD, or the Australian Centre for Blood Diseases, where they've looking at, for instance, mouse models of leukemia, and they are performing RNA sequencing on these mouse models to try and work out mechanisms of how leukemia develops. Another area of research is in the medical oncology group, where they're looking at solid tumours, in particular melanomas, and specific subtypes of melanomas, and working out what genomic lesions are associated with them. All in all, to find biomarkers that are associated with disease. Well, it's embedded in a real hospital, and probably, the hospital here in Melbourne. And so every day you kind of walk with patients and doctors, and I'm certainly working with some of the doctors who are trying to do some really great research and helping patients. And so there is this really great ecosystem where you can walk down the hallway and actually talk to a colleague who's actually directly involved in the clinic, for instance. And the same goes with wet lab researchers who occupy the same space. So one day you can actually have a coffee with all three of them and have great conversations about science.